Hello guys, this is NicAtams Graphix. Today I'm going to show you an app where you can get more than 80,000 design templates to navigate through and then make your own design with it. So let's go to Play Store. Yes. So let's go to Play Store. So when you come to Play Store, go to the search button and type poster my wall. Type poster my wall and search. It will come. So this is the app. This is the app poster my wall. Yes. So download it and install it. So I've already downloaded it and installed. So after you have downloaded and installed, open the app. So when you open the app, you have to sign in with your email. You have to sign in with your email, and after you have done that, it will bring you to this interface. Yes, I've already signed in with my email. I'm already using the app. That's why it brought me to this interface direct. But if you're using it for the first time, you have to sign in and it will bring you to this interface. So when you come to this interface, you will not see these designs here. These are the designs I made using the app. So these are my designs. So you will not see them here because it is your first time. So when you now come to this interface, you can get any design template you want. So you have to come and then tap on this search button. So tap on the search button and type any design you want. So let's just type church flyer. Church flyer and search. It will bring you a lot of church flyer templates that you can use. Yes, you can go through them and select the one you want. They're beautiful church flyers you can use for your design, and it will look very neat. So there are many. Yes, there are many. There are many. There are many. This is one very beautiful. There are many. Yes, there are many church flyers. There are many. This is another one, very beautiful. So the flyers, the templates are many. Yes, yes. So you can even see here. You can even see here 105,000 plus free templates for church flyers. Only church flyers. Only church flyers. You have 105,000 plus. Yes, templates, free templates that you can get here and use. So the app is amazing. Amazing. So when you finish that one and then any design, let's say you want to design a birthday flyer, you just type birthday flyer. So when you type birthday flyer, search, it will bring you a lot of birthday flyers that you can go through them and then select the one that will fit or the one you want, then use it for your design. Yes, so this is very beautiful app. Yes, yeah, this is just for educational purpose. This video is not sponsored by poster my wall. It is not sponsored by the app. I'm just using it for educational purpose. So the app is nice. So I'll be taking you through how to use the app, how to use the templates, all the tricks that you need to know about the use of this app. I will be taking you through. So first of all, you download the app, install it, and let me know at the comment section. Then we'll take it from there. Remember to subscribe, turn the notification bell. So when I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to grab it. So this app is very good and then very nice. So let's do that and then I will take it from there. Thank you for watching.